subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung is reportedly working on its upcoming phone called Galaxy S21 FE, and it is going to be the successor of Galaxy S20 FE smartphone that was launched in September last year. Recently, a popular leakster Steve Hammerstoffer has revealed the renders of the upcoming Galaxy S21 FE smartphone along with some key specifications. According to Steve Hammerstoffer, the Galaxy S21 FE will support a 6.4-inch flat Infinity O display with a hole punch at the top center for selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone is said to be frosted glass stick that houses a vertically aligned triple camera setup at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The volume rockers along with the power button is visible on the right edge, while at the bottom it has a speaker grill, microphone, ejectable SIM card slot, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone will measure at 155.7 by 74.5 by 7.9 millimeters. Apart from this, there is no other details of Galaxy S21 FE has leaked so far, and the phone is expected to price around $700. So as of now, that's all we know about the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.